Alright, so in the last video, we got power to my garage, we got the lights hooked up, and we got everything cleaned up. As you can see here, I got my hoods hung on the wall. We've got the sound system in the garage working. I've done a little bit of organizing, and to this day, I still can't get over how good these lights look. The Z finally has the home that it deserves, and we're gonna get to start playing with it soon. There's just one problem. There's no way to get the Z out of the garage. See, it was dropped in here by a tow truck, and as things are right now, there's no way to get it out of the garage. So I'm going to need to build a ramp. And right now we're about to do just that. So I'm gonna make a ramp out of gravel and asphalt. First, I'm going to clean out all these wood chips from when the tree fell on the BMW. Then I needed to saw off this stake. It got stuck there when a little bit of concrete flowed outside of the form when they were pouring my pad. Screw this thing. I literally sawed half of it away, and it was such a pain that I wound up just beating it back and forth with a hammer until it eventually broke off. With that out of the way, now I can start pouring some gravel. I'm trying to keep everything really packed down as I go so there's no room for it to sink later. This tool you see me using here is called a tamper, and a couple times throughout this project I almost lost my tamper. Alright, so now I've used up all the gravel that I've got, and now we're moving on to asphalt. And here I really started to let my tamper get the best of me. Sorry. This really is a lot of work. This actually gave me some pretty bad blisters on my hands. Now I read online that you can put some plywood down over the asphalt, drive on it to compress it. Then once you take the boards up, the asphalt will immediately be able to support the weight of a car. Looks to me like that worked pretty well. This was a pretty good start and things were looking pretty good, but I definitely needed to add some more. So little baby side quest to go get some metal shelving that I found on Facebook for really cheap, and then going back to Home Depot to get some more gravel and asphalt to fill in the ramp some more. So my garage is in dire need of some shelving so that I can get all of this crap that's sitting around on the floor up off the floor. So let's get it off the floor. Now I'm moving this shelf because my sister's gonna give me a big workbench, which I'm gonna put next to my toolbox. All right, now back to the ramp. Here I'm pouring mortar mix on top of the asphalt to seal it up and help it set faster. Dude, what do you think?
It's a concrete pad, dude.
It's not a concrete pad. What do you mean it's a concrete pad? Dude, what are you doing, bro?
It's a concrete pad, dude.